Seeing Snapchat SS06 on your iPhone? It means Snapchat flagged your device. First, open Snapchat and capture the exact error screen shown here. Check the App Store for Snapchat updates and install the latest version. Disable any VPN or proxy and switch to a trusted Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Force quit Snapchat and relaunch the app to clear temporary session issues. Try logging in on another device or web to confirm whether your device is banned. Uninstall Snapchat and remove any third-party plugins, then reinstall from the App Store. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then Reset network settings. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update, and install any available updates. Open Snapchat. Go to Profile, tap Settings, then select I Need Help and report a problem. Attach screenshots of the SS06 error, explain recent changes, and request a device review. Wait 24 to 48 hours, retry signing in, and contact Snapchat support again if the issue persists.